Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create Twitch account for beginners. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is open any browser that you prefer using and simply head to twitch.tv. Once you are inside of twitch.tv, all you need to do is click on the sign up button on the top right hand side of your screen. This is where you can simply go ahead and enter your email or use your phone number instead and simply go ahead and create an account. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and enter my number. And now all I need to do is click on continue. It will allow me to go ahead and enter a username. So let's just go ahead and make a username. Now you want to simply go ahead and create a password right over here. And then you want to simply go ahead and enter your date of birth. Now, once you simply go ahead and do that, your account is going to be created, as you can see. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.